Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this incredible BMW X1 2-litre 20i xLine DCT sDrive. Now this vehicle has currently done 42,709 miles and it's finished in the colour mineral white. It does come with 3 previous services. It's a very stylish looking small SUV. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. At the rear here you'll find your powered tailgate which can be opened using the key fob. Provides you access to the 505 litre boot which can be increased to 1,550 litres with the rear seats down, so you can fit plenty in. Take a look inside to the rear here, you'll find your gorgeous Dakota leather interior. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Here up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. On the steering wheel here you've got your cruise control as well as speed limiter. To the right you've got controls for adjusting your infotainment system. Here in the instrument cluster you do have a digital display where you can access different driving data such as your average miles per gallon. At the top of the dashboard you'll find your infotainment screen. Now this is controlled using the dials and buttons here in the centre console. The system does provide access to DAB, FM and AM radio, or alternatively you can connect your own source of audio with USB and Bluetooth. Here in the telephone menu you can pair it with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls. This X1 does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to new places very easily. You also have your connected drive feature here where you can access your connected drive store and BMW assistance. Here in my vehicle you've got access to vehicle and system settings. Here in vehicle status you can also see vehicle information such as your tyre pressure monitor, engine oil level and the vehicle's service requirements, as well as any of the vehicle's service history as well. Pressing on the service will show you what exactly was carried out. Now this X1 does come equipped with rear sensors to make reversing much easier. Underneath the display you'll also find your button for the front end collision warning system. A super handy safety feature, you can adjust the sensitivity of it here in the settings as well. Underneath the display you will find your dual zone automatic climate control. You also have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. In the centre console here, hidden away you can find 2 cup holders and a 12-volt socket. You also have your automatic gear selector. Next to this you also have your driving modes. The vehicle has access to Comfort, Eco, Pro and Sport, which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.